Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Last time we started our introduction to forex trading. Today we'll be talking about terminologies used in the forex market. So let's get started. Just like every field that you try to learn, you would get accustomed to their terms and terminologies. So as in the field of forex, you would need to learn about the terminologies so that you can be able to communicate with the market and also with your fellow traders. So let's look at some of the terminologies. The first one is a bullish market. A bullish market is a market that is going up. So when you meet someone or when someone tells you that the currency pair is bullish, it's trying to tell you that it's going up. The market is going up. We have a bearish market. That's a market that is going down. So the same way, when someone tells you that the currency pair is bearish, the person is trying to tell you that the market is going down. Let's talk about ranging. A market is said to be ranging if it does not have any particular direction. It's either moving upwards or downward. So if you see a market and it's not moving upwards or downwards, we term it as a ranging market. We also have trending markets. Market that has a direction. It's either moving upward or moving downward. This is called a trending market. So we can hear people saying the market is trending up or trending down. To go long means to buy. So if a trader tells you that he went long on a currency pair, he's trying to tell you that he bought that pair. Next one is to go short, which means to sell. The same way, if a trader tells you that he short this currency pair, that means what? He sold that currency pair. When we talk about bears, they are sellers. And when we talk about bulls, they are buyers. So anytime you buy, you are a bull. Anytime you sell, you are a bear. Let's look at NFP. It's an acronym for non-farmers payroll, a very important news event in US. Let's go to forms of trading. There are basically two forms of trading in the forex market. That is the fundamental analysis and the technical analysis. So sometimes we refer to them as analysis. Let's talk about fundamental analysis. This is also known as news trading. Here, you are analyzing the forex market with respect to the news. It has been said that news is what moves the market, and they either positively or negatively affect the currency pair involved. Then you make your trading decision based on the news you heard. So we have technical analysis. This form of trading is when you analyze the market using indicators, chart patterns, candlesticks, Fibonacci, support and resistance, pivot points, L12 and rest. When you use any of these above to analyze the market, is called technical analysis. What currencies are traded in Forex? At this point, I would like to focus on the 8 currencies which are mostly traded in the Forex industry. One is the Euro, one is the US dollar, one is the Great British Pound, one is the Swiss franc, we have the New Zealand dollar, we have the Australian dollar, we have the Canadian dollar, and the Japanese yen. Let's talk about currency pairs. So I've listed 3 currency pairs here, which is GBP USD, Euro USD, and USD chef. If we take GBP USD, we can see that the GBP is the base currency and the USD is the quoted currency. So the first currency is the base currency and the second currency is the quoted currency. And the number tells us how many units of the quote currency you will need to buy 1 unit of the base currency. Key takeaways. We talked about terminologies used in Forex, the 2 forms of trading in Forex, which is the technical and the fundamental. We talked about some currency pair. So in our next section, we talk about the MT5 platform. That's where you open the chart and you look at everything that we talked about in our presentation. Thank you for watching.